And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44. And as we start the day, we're starting with a live look outside courtesy of Sky 5 here in Weslaco. And you see the beautiful colors in the sky, kind of pinky purple this morning. There is a little bit of a haze out there. Visibilities are still good out there between about 7 and 10 miles. So no major delays are expected. Even traffic is moving pretty smooth right now. Temperatures right around 67 degrees here in Weslaco with a light south wind at about 8 miles per hour. Here's a look at the rest of the valley. 64 degrees right now in Rio Grande City to 70 in McAllen as well as Brownsville and Port Isabel. Good morning to you in Edinburg and Raymondville. You're waking up to 69 degrees. It's also 67 in Harlingen. So unless you have small kids, I really don't think you'll need a light jacket unless you are sensitive to the slightly cooler weather. But our dew point values are in the upper 60s, so it does feel a little muggy, just not completely bad. Okay, here we go. Your future track winds will show the cold front moving in just after sunrise and into the mid valley by about mid-morning or so. Everything will follow suit, and so by the time we get to the second half of the day, the coastline will be clearing. The front will be clearing the coastline rather, but behind this front, our winds are going to stay elevated out of the north today, anywhere between about 10 and 20 miles per hour. It's going to usher in a lot of dry air into the valley. The cooler air won't arrive until later on tonight, and the winds will lighten up eventually. So with that drier air moving into the valley and those gusty winds and adding that to our dry vegetation that we have as of right now, we do have a red flag warning in place from noon until 6, and that's for all counties with the exception of coastal Willacy and coastal Cameron counties. So just remember, burning is not recommended today, so that any fire that does spark could spread very, very rapidly and get out of control very quickly. So it's just not recommended for today. Even behind this front, we're still going to be warm, just not as hot as it was yesterday. We'll be at 94 in McAllen and Rio Grande City to 93 in Edinburg, 92 in Weslaco, Harlingen and Raymondville to 90 in Brownsville, and 84 degrees on the island. Could get close to a record heat here in Weslaco, could exceed it in Harlingen today with a record of 91. Even Brownsville gets pretty close to the record there by about 2 degrees. Lots of dry air with this next system, so we really don't have any rain in the forecast for this weekend, but we do have lower humidity and some pretty nice temperatures. We'll be right around 80 on Saturday and 83 on Sunday. The wind will pick up a little bit each afternoon, so it will turn a little bit breezy. We do have a small craft advisory on the Gulf waters through 9 o'clock this morning. After that, the chop on the bay is moderate. It'll subside to light. Seas will stay at about 3 to 5 feet, but this morning they're between about 5 and 7 feet. Here's your first 7-day forecast. So we go from 92 today to 55 tonight. That's when that cooler air arrives. A lot less humid as we head into the weekend. Breezy with a good amount of sunshine to start. A little bit more clouds on Sunday. We'll go from 80 to 83. So we head into next week ahead of the next front that'll arrive midweek. We're warming up to about 95 on Tuesday. Very hot and humid. A few showers are possible Wednesday and Thursday. Once that cold front rolls through Wednesday night going into Thursday, look at how the temperatures dip. We'll go from 88 to 55 and we'll rebound to 68 on Thursday. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.